Today I am going to show you the demo of a new launch product which is from Stay Quirky. Hi everyone, welcome to my channel Meghna Manjrekar hauls and reviews. Now from the initial thumbnail intro, you all have already guessed, you all are my smart viewers, you all have already guessed. Yes, today I am going to show you the demo of a new launch product which is from Stay Quirky. It is the Stay Quirky baking perfection setting powder. Right now, before moving ahead with the video, let me please tell you to kindly subscribe my channel. That is, you can press the red subscribe button. Next to it there is a small bell icon. Hit that bell icon as well for the notifications about my future uploads. And since it is absolutely free, even you can ask your friends and family also to subscribe my channel. And right now the setting powder, I'm sure you cannot see the setting powder, but right now what you can see is after using this particular setting powder only. So we will have the demo and all everything after a while, like after I'll give you all the basic information, we'll have the demo as well. Now let's begin with the outer packaging. The outer packaging of the product comes like this kind of a rectangular box. Top and bottom has plain red, nothing is given, no Stay Quirky symbol, nothing is given. On the bottom I have actually, the outer packaging was covered with a plastic wrapping. I've already removed it, and it was, this barcode was there on the plastic wrapping. I've removed that and I've applied on this, I've stuck on this. So you can see front and back they have a red color, and on the one side they say Stay Quirky baking perfection setting powder, and the variant which I am going to show you today is banana bread, because that is what I felt perfect for my medium skin. Right, on the other side, that is on the three sides, they have given you all the different information. On the first side they say manufactured and marketing and all that, as well as the manufacturing date and everything. The manufacturing date, that is the month, is March 22, and it is good till used to 8/24. So almost 29-30 months of shelf life you are going to get. This is retailing for 499 rupees, and this is made in India product. And net content what you are going to get in this is 6 grams, and this is a vegan product. That is what you can see right now on one side. This is on the second side. On the third side they say the ingredients list, all the ingredient list they have given you, as well as they say paraben free, cruelty free, vegan, 24 months of shelf life, and silicone free. That is what is given on the bottom over here. Right, and on the fourth side they say powder up for flawless skin. That is how to use and what are the main, how you can use this particular powder. Now I will just tell you about the shade range and all, as well as the USP, that is the key features you can say. Okay, now this particular powder, the setting powder, is available in 3 different shades. One is icing sugar, second one is banana bread, and third one is Biscoff cookie. So there are total 3 shades. If you are light to light medium something, you can go for that icing sugar. That is, I think that will be the translucent one, but I never went for that because I have right now lot of translucent powder and I never wanted to try that. Then I went for then the second shade is banana, which is good for medium to little bit deep skin tone. So banana bread, which I have used for my skin tone. And for your reference, in Maybelline I am 332 in Fit Me and 312 in Super Stay. So that are the basic 2 shade range, and in MAC I am NC 43.5 if at all you want to know that. So this is, and for that particular shade range I have preferred the banana bread variant, and the Biscoff cookie, darker than me, I think they can go for the Biscoff cookie variant. So this is basically the shade range. Now I'll tell you about the key features of this particular powder. I have my notes over here, so if at all you feel why I'm watching here, it is my notes. This has SPF 30. It adds luminous highlight. Yes, I can definitely say, as I told you in my demo also, I cannot see total matte finish. I can see a satin kind of effect. So that is what luminous highlight effect. It color corrects. Now for that part I cannot vouch much, but I will say 50-60%, not much. Okay, absorbs oil and minimizes pores. Yes, of course, I do agree with the absorbing oil part, because for the primer I have used that Stay Quirky First Base Primer oil, and it absorbed, not totally, but yes, it did a very good job, and I can definitely say that. And minimizes pores. Yes, I can see I have pore issues over here, pore problems, and I cannot see the enlarged pores which I generally see. over here right now I cannot see, so I agree with that point as well. Diminishes appearance of fine lines. No, for that I am little bit not satisfied, you can say, because over here I have the issues of fine lines, and I can see also right now after the demo itself, I told you I can see the fine lines, and that is generally happens with me for the all the powders or whatever I use. So the same thing applied over here also, I can see. Okay, now this particular setting powder has jojoba oil, vitamin E and vitamin A. Yeah, that is all basic, the key features, outer packaging and all. Now we'll talk about the inner packaging. The inner packaging comes like this. It says Stay Quirky Baking Perfection Setting Powder Banana Bread. One second, let me just close it for you. This is what is given over here on the top. Sorry. Okay, and on the bottom, if you check, it says Stay Quirky Baking Perfection Setting Powder Banana Bread. The variant they have given you. They have given you all how to use and all, vegan, cruelty free, paraben free and all that. They have not given you the ingredients list. As far as my knowledge is there, they have not given you the ingredients list on the product itself. So if at all you want to have, you have to keep the outer packaging, or else the manufacturing, the expiry and everything is given over here. The net content, all the details are given over here. If at all you want to see, you can just have a closer look on this particular all the detailed information. Only the ingredient list is missing, the variant and all is given. So that is a very good point, because sometimes of course in this you can make out from here also, and this is kind of a plastic container with black cap. I'll just open it little bit for you. Now you can see I have actually not opened during the demo also. I told you I have not opened the shifter, the inner plastic shifter, but still this much quantity was already there on the container or maybe in the jar itself. Now what I'll do is I'll just take a little bit. This is what the shade is. Okay, and I'll apply on my hands. You can see over here. Right now this is the shade. I cannot see any sheen particles in that. So that is a very good thing. Sometimes the setting powders do have sheen or maybe kind of some fine melt glitters, not exactly chunky glitters, the fine melt, and the powder itself is very smooth. Like while swatching or while touching, while doing this, you can easily say it is very smooth. So it will not like harsh, or it will not cause any effect on your face, and it is very smooth like while applying. So that is what I wanted to say. Now what we will do is we will just move towards the demo, and after demo I've already shared my final thoughts, so you can just watch the demo now. Yes, now before moving ahead with the demo, I would just like to let you know my lipstick. It is from Sugar Cosmetics. It is their matte as Hell Crayon lipstick in the shade number 12, Baby Houseman. This is the lipstick I'm having on my lips. Right now you can see right now I don't have anything besides my moisturizer. I don't have anything on my face. It's bare face, you can say. So for the primer, I'll be using the Stay Quirky First Base Primer Oil. Why oil? Because we are going to check whether this particular powder sets the makeup well or no, and that is why I'm going to use the oil underneath my foundation. So for the primer, as I told you, I'll be using this primer oil. For the foundation, I'll be using the Sugar Drop the Base Serum Foundation. It is a serum foundation, so it is kind of a dewy foundation. And for the concealer, I'll be using the Blue Heaven Flawless Liquid Concealer, because that is what actually it's on my project pan list. So I'll be using that concealer. I'll be doing my base makeup, and I'll come right back to show you the demo of this particular setting powder. See, now you can see I've already applied the Stay Quirky First Base Primer Oil, and you can see my face is looking pretty dewy. You can say in a way it is looking oily itself, but since I have dry skin, that is why I'm preferring this kind of oil to make a proper test, to do a proper demo of the setting powder. So now I'll come back after applying the foundation and the concealer. Yes, now you can already see my face is looking quite dewy just because of this First Base Primer Oil. Now I have just opened this powder, and I would just like to show you the condition. That is how I received. It's nothing wrong, but you can see I have not opened any shifter or any plastic or nothing. Still so much powder. I'm not sure. I won't be able to show you because it will fly away, because it is very finely milled. You can see so much powder is already there, as well as over here also you can say so much powder is there on the cap. I have not opened any kind of packaging, but still it's okay, it's powder, so no problem. And I'll just take my powder brush and I'll first set my under eyes. You can see it has got a coverage, or maybe you can say a color. Now I am not sure whether the camera will capture, but you can see over here right hand side I have already set with the powder, so it is not that dewy. And this side, if you can see properly, I have not set with any kind of powder, so this is giving me a dewy effect. You can see the comparison, because in the mirror also I can see this is giving me a quite matte look, not proper matte look, but it has, you can say, absorbed the oil, and over here it has not absorbed the oil, that is, it is giving me a dewy effect. So what I'll do is I'll just take powder whatever was there on the cap, and I'll just apply lightly, dab it. Yes, definitely I can see a great difference in my foundation, that is in my base makeup. You can see over here it has already absorbed the oil, and it is giving me kind of a satin look, not matte look, but it is giving me a satin look on my face, which I love. Now what I'll do is I'll just go off the camera, I'll apply my eyeliner, I'll apply the mascara and the blush, and I'll come right away. Yes, now you can see already my full face of whatever makeup I generally do is already applied, liner, mascara, blush and everything. Now if you will ask me my thought on this particular baking perfection setting powder is like under eyes, if I've applied, still my under eyes are creasing little bit. I am not sure whether the camera will capture or no. Over here if you see, it is creasing a little bit, and it happens generally with me with all the setting powder or whatever loose powders I apply. So it happens with me every time, so this is nothing new or nothing special. And so now you will say ki Meghna, whether we should go for it or no. I will say you can go for it provided you get on the sale, because 499 rupees and for 6 grams of product, it is, as per me, it is little bit expensive. Yeah, in this of course you do get 3 different shades, so as per your skin tone, as per your liking, you can go ahead and you can buy the powder. Generally in setting powders we see 2 shades only, the translucent and the banana, but in this they have stepped up a little bit, and they have got one more shade, that is biscoff cookie. That is a different shade, and it is a darker shade for a tan to dark skin tones. They have stepped up their game a little bit, but 499 rupees and for 6 grams of product I feel is little bit expensive. So if at all you get it on buy one get one free, or maybe on 35% off, so that time you can think of getting this powder. And as far as my knowledge is that in Stay Quirky, generally on other makeup products they don't have buy one get one free. On lipsticks they do have, but on the other makeup products and other products they do not have. But if you can find the good offers and all, definitely you can go ahead and you can purchase it. And if at all you want a referral code which you can use for your elite membership, the referral code will be given in the description box. If at all you will use that, you will get some discount on your elite membership. And this is not at all a sponsored video, you all know. I get each and every product by my own money. And finally, of course, on sale, rest all things, of course, it mattified, not totally, but it gave me a kind of a satin finish on my face, which I love. And right now you can see it is giving me a very good effect, very good finish on my face, and which I love. So finishing wise and all, definitely kudos, yes, we can go for it. Yeah, I have basically tried to cover each and every point, but still if you feel I have forgotten something, or if you want to know any other detail, then you can let me know in the comment section, or else I'll give you my Instagram handle also on the screen. You can follow me over there, or you can DM me over there and ask me anything. I will try to respond you as soon as possible. And if at all you have any other video request or video suggestions on which you want me to make a video on, let me know that also in the comment section, or else you can DM me as well. Yeah, if you're watching till here, that means you're liking my content. Please give it a huge thumbs up, share this video with your friends and family, ask them also to subscribe my channel, and don't go without liking the video. Your one like encourages me to make more such kind of 100 videos. Yeah, that's it for today's video. Thank you so much for watching. Bye.